I'm so happy that we can all be back together in the auditorium. I think it's been, I feel like it's been 2 years since we've been back in the auditorium. So I'm very, very glad to see all your happy faces here. We are going to start off, I'm just going to explain just for our parents, because this is probably new for some of you too. We have our character words that we work with the kids on each month here at Genesee Valley. And one of the things that we like to do is recognize our students that have been picked by their teachers and their classmates for doing a good job of showing us what those character words mean. So for example, our character word for the month of September was respect. And so when we talked to the kids about respect, we talked about being respectful to someone means that you are courteous and you are considerate of other people's feelings. And we can show respect to others by being a good listener, using our manners, helping others, and showing kindness to everyone. So, we have a list of winners here for all of our students that were nominated by their teachers and their peers for being respectful. I'm going to start with my third graders first. That way, because you know what? Our kindergartners and our first graders have never done this. So I'm going to count on my third graders to be great role models and show my little ones what they need to do, because you guys remember how this is done, okay? All right, so for third grade, I'm going to start with Miss Kelly's third grade homeroom, nominated by Miss Kelly for showing respect, Brockton Finn. So now for everybody, my little ones, if you watch Brock, he's going to come up here and he's going to shake Miss Brock's hand. He's going to get his certificate and he's going to come right down here and wait. Okay? All right, also nominated from Miss Kelly's third grade class, Amaya Jameson. And from Miss Kelly's class, nominated by her peers for being respectful, Attica Weinblatt. From Miss Cole's third grade homeroom, nominated by Miss Cole for showing respect, Katie Cunningham. We also had a second winner from Miss Cole's class. Unfortunately, he moved, but we still want to recognize him because when he was here, we really enjoyed getting to know him. But Logan Teeters was nominated for respect for Logan's certificate gets to him in his new school. Nominated by her peers from Miss Cole's third grade class, Hadley Graham. All right, second grade, ready? From Miss Schaefer's second grade homeroom, nominated for being respectful, Aspen Brownell. And we will hang on to her certificate and make sure that we get it to her. From Miss Schaefer's class, nominated by her peers for being respectful, Savannah Middaugh. Second grade class, nominated by Miss Kaspersky for being respectful, Aislinn Wilkins. Also nominated by Miss Kaspersky, Andrew Schaefer. And nominated by her peers for being respectful, Emery Clark. well. So we will take her certificate and make sure that she gets it. Okay, you guys did a great job being great role models. Nice job. First grade, now you know what we need to do, okay? So we're gonna start with Miss McEwen's first grade class. Nominated by Miss McEwen for showing respect, Aubriana Randall. Also nominated by Miss McEwen, Brian Graves. And nominated by her peers for showing respect, Gracelyn Child Weaver. From Mrs. White's first grade class, nominated by Mrs. White for showing respect, Madeline McCutcheon. Also nominated by Mrs. White, Rashawn Crawford. And nominated by his peers for being respectful, Liam Morelli. Liam Morelli is also absent, so we will accept his certificate and see that he gets it. All right, kindergartners, are you ready? Yeah. It's exciting, it's your very first time. All right, so Miss Hillman's kindergarten class. Nominated by Miss Hillman for showing respect, Kendall Pierce. Also nominated by Mrs. Hillman, Asher Kelly. And nominated by her peers for showing respect, Reese Scholes. From Mrs. Johnson's kindergarten class, nominated by Mrs. Johnson for being respectful, Robbie Chappelle. Also nominated by Mrs. Johnson was Adeline Nunowitz. Adeline is also absent today, so we will accept her certificate and see if she gets it. Also from Mrs. Johnson's class, nominated by her peers, Isabella Hunt. From Miss Glidden's kindergarten class, nominated by Miss Glidden for being respectful, Hunter Mitchell. Hunter Mitchell is absent. 'Tis the season. We will make sure that all these kiddos get their certificates. Also nominated by Miss Glidden, Emma Norton. And last but not least, nominated by his peers from Miss Glidden's class for being respectful, Elliot Barnes.
Good job.
Let's give all of our winners a round of applause. I want to give parents a quick opportunity. If you would like to come up closer to the stage to get a picture of your kiddos, you're more than welcome to do that. I'll give you a couple minutes.
Follow me back there. I'll take a picture. Thank you.
about being responsible, meaning that you are reliable, which means that people can depend on you. We can show responsibility by making good choices and owning our mistakes when we make them. We can also be responsible by taking care of ourselves and being good role models. So now that we know what responsibility means, let's celebrate those of us that were nominated by our teachers. We're going to start again with our 3rd grade. So from Miss Kelly's, Miss Ross way ahead of me, just making sure. Okay, from Miss Kelly's 3rd grade classroom, nominated by Miss Kelly for being responsible, Carson Osterhout. Also nominated by Miss Kelly, Olivia McCullen. And nominated by his peers from Miss Kelly's 3rd grade class, Brockton Vinton. From Miss Cole's 3rd grade class, nominated by Miss Cole for being responsible, Madison Mahoney. Also nominated by Miss Cole for being responsible, Fiona Marble. And nominated by her peers from Miss Cole's class, Tara Cartwright. In 2nd grade, from Miss Schaefer's 2nd grade class, nominated by Mrs. Schaefer for being responsible, Randall Scholes. Also nominated by Miss Schaefer for being responsible, Amelia Almond. And nominated by his peers from Miss Schaefer's class, Cooper Winterhalter. From Miss Kaspersky's 2nd grade class, nominated by Miss Kaspersky for being responsible, Bryn White. Also nominated by Miss Kaspersky, Emery Clark. And again, we will accept for Miss Emery. And nominated by her peers for being responsible, Skylar McAvoy. In 1st grade, from Miss McEwen's 1st grade class, nominated by Miss McEwen for being responsible, Lorelei Burrows. Also nominated by Miss McEwen, Taylor Vinton. And nominated by his peers for being responsible, Ryan Graves. From Mrs. White's 1st grade class, nominated by Mrs. White, Belladonna Swagowski. Did I get it? kindergarten class. Nominated by Ms. Hillman for being responsible, Gracelyn Rainey. Also nominated by Mrs. Hillman, Reese Scholes. And nominated by her peers for being responsible, Kendall Pierce. For Mrs. Johnson's class, nominated by Mrs. Johnson, Jacob Keir. Also nominated by Mrs. Johnson, Tabitha Smalley. And nominated by her peers from Miss Johnson's class, Raylan Schweger. From Mrs. Glidden's kindergarten class, nominated by Miss Glidden, Mackenzie Holbert. Mackenzie is absent today. We will still accept her certificate. Also from Miss Glidden's class, Jayla Maston. Let's give all of our winners a good round of applause. Once again, parents, if you want to take a minute and come forward and get a close-up picture of your kiddo, please feel free to do so.